one of my favorite songs from the 1980s. It's Take On Me by a-ha, and I'm going to teach it to you, if I can, in under 3 minutes. I'm Steve, and hope you're doing awesome. This is such a cool song. It's got 4 or 5 chords and, really cool music video that goes with it. But anyway, I'm done yapping. Let's get right to it. I've got my capo on the 2nd fret, and I'm starting off here. It does this little intro, when it goes. I'm going to save those notes for another lesson because there's no way that's happening in 3 minutes. And this is a beginner lesson anyway, so let's just do the chords. It goes A minor, D major, to G major, C. And one of the keys of this song here is being able to do a little walk down here where it goes like that. It's basically you're going from a C major to putting this finger. You just lift this finger off and put this finger right here on the 4th fret of the A string. And you're playing the rest of that C major. It doesn't sound that good alone, but it goes, and that takes you to A minor again. It's a little walk down. It's really great. And check the chord notes for the full intro, but let's get right to the verse. Ready? It goes, talking away, that's A minor, D major, G, I don't know, C, there's that walk down again, A minor, D major, G, C, A minor, D major, and then it goes to E minor. I've been looking for your love, okay, something like that. C major, and then the chorus goes like this. G, D major, E minor. Take on me, C major, G, D, E minor, C, G, D major, E minor. In a day. G, D, E minor. It goes to a C major and back up to D and then back to A minor to start the next verse. And you can see here I do some low notes, some big strums like this. Or down strokes like that with some palm muting. Chorus, G, D, E minor, C. Give those Take On Me's 3 big hits like that, take me on, like that. And then what's cool is when it goes, I'll be good, that deal, you do a halftime where you go. And you get going fast again. So by using all those rhythms, you can really get some interesting dynamics and add some sort of magic to the whole thing. Let me know what you think. If you try those rhythms, that halftime deal and some of those giant strums, I'd love to hear it in the comments. And give me some more songs from the 80s you want to hear, and I'll catch you next time for another 3-minute lesson. Later.